This is Jana here, welcome back. So as you can see, I'm not in my house because I am in a cabin in Norway. And because of that, I have decided to make for you guys a very delicious traditional Norwegian dish called the Kjøttkaker, which is meatballs slash meat cake. It's super delicious. We're not going to use meat, of course. We're going to use a meat substitute, and it can be any kind of meat substitute you're used to. It can be the banana peels, it can be the 2-ingredient vegan meat that we made, or anything that you're used to. But this dish is super uncomplicated to make, which is one of the best things about Norwegian food. It's genius and it's super simple to make. So come with me and I'll show you how it's made.
Sun, kick off your shoes and have some fun. Get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. Moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. So grab somebody, do-si-do, 'cause life's a dance floor, don't you know? Hey, there's electricity in the air, so come join the party if you dare. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. This moment pass us by, pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by. Won't let this moment pass us by. We could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. You and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. Won't let this moment 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 pass us by.
And look Look what I have here. It is the Kjøttkaker with med brun sauce, which is a brown sauce, and it is to die for. And now, test time. It's salty, but it balances out perfectly with the Lingonberry sauce. This is super delicious. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for spending time with me. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. And if you would like to support this channel, check on my Patreon there. And this is it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
I won't let this moment pass us